Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. If you saw where I made a mistake yesterday, please leave a comment down below. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 183. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here. So 4, 6. Same here, 4, 6. I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 6, 8. 3, 4, 6, 8. We look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here. So 1, 4, 8 here, 1, 4, 9. 1 and 9 here. So 4, 9. 9 here. So 1, 4, 8. And just to finish out this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here. So 1, 5. But now if we look back at that row, the only place the 5 can be is here. And the only place the 1 can be is here. And that 1 makes this our 4, 9, 8. We look at this bottom row now. Ah, we made a mistake again. I don't see a good way to get back out of that. Wait, maybe this was wrong here. But this was supposed to be 8 and 9. Let's try that. So if we look at this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. And I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. And for this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 6, 2 and 4 here. So that means this is our 6, 2, 4. If we look at this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. No help here. 1, 3, 6. 1 here, so 3, 6, and no help here. 1, 3, 6. If we look at this top row, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so 2, 6, 2, 4, and 6 here. Means this is our 5. And if we look at that row now, the only place the 2 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so 1, 3. 1 and 3 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 1, 3, 6. 3 and 6 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. Get the 8 here, so 1, 3, 9. 9 here, so 1, 3, 8. But if we look, the only place the 9 can be in that column now is here, and the only place the 8 can be is here. And for this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. And I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 3, 6. And no help here, but the only place the 7 can be in this box is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 3 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 1, 3, 6. 3 and 6 here, so 1, 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 6, 8. 8 here, so 1, 3, 6. But if we look at that column, the only place the 8 can be is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so 6, 7. 3 and 6 here, so 7, 9. And now we look at that row. The only place the 9 can be is here. The only place the 7 can be is here. That 7 makes this our 6. So if we get rid of this 6 and look at that row, the only place the 7 can be is here. And that 6 makes this our 2, 1. We can get rid of this 1 and this 1 and also this 1. So now that means the only place in this column our 1 can be is here. That 1 makes this our 3, 1, 3. That 3 makes this our 6, 1. This is our 6, 3, 1. That 6 makes this our 3, 6, 3, 6. 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. And now we can redo this box. We're missing 3 and 8 still. We've got a 3 here. So 8, 3. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 4, 5. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here. So 4 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for our next puzzle.